Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
What's going on, my credit snipers? This is your boy Carlos Estrada with the Credit Assassins channel. Guys, here in this channel, we show you everything that have to do with credit, personal and business. Guys, we want to make sure that you learn the foundation, lay the foundation, but at the same time, get some big lending. We want to make sure that we bring big business lending to the small businesses, guys. So now, today we're going to talk about social media and how it affects your business lending. Now, guys, but before I continue, this is a selfless plug right here. Make sure that if this is your first time on my channel, make sure if you're a repeater offender in my channel, but still have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, guys. Subscribe, make sure that you actually click on the bell icon, click on all, so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new content. But at the same time, guys, I appreciate if you give me the thumbs up. That is going to help me tremendously, because they're gonna allow me to continue to bring this channel, this content to many more people in order for us to continue helping them. I know you're getting some content here and some value from this content, so allow me to continue bringing this to others that really need it. Now, guys, any social media marketing or any digital or marketing for your business is actually incomplete without an effective social media strategy. Now, we have identified 6 reasons in which or how you can optimize your social media strategy for your business. Now, number 1, showcase your brand. Guys, you are the brand. The product, the service that you provide is your brand. Now, social media is essential or is perfect for you to create awareness about the product, the service, or even you, what you have to offer. Use it for that matter. Make sure that you showcase who you are, the brand, and the business. Now, another reason why you should be using social media is because you can improve your communication, your service. Now, social media is a great platform that you can interact with your customers, that you can see what's going right and what's going wrong. And trust me, if something is going wrong, people will go out of the way to let you know on social media. So take that as an opportunity and make sure that you address each one of them. Make sure that if something goes wrong, you know what, address it. Make sure that you find out really what's going on, because what you may be seeing about your product is not what others may be seeing it. But at the same time, guess who's also seeing the negative? Your lending company, your bank, because your bank is going to go through your social media. Keep that in mind. They want you to have a social media blueprint or footprint. They want you to make sure that you are out there because they want to see who you are. Guys, this is the new age, and this is what we have to do. Now, the reason that you also should be using number 3, you should be using social media, is because you're going to increase your digital exposure. Now, as we know, a lot of our business will always come from the web. People will always search you. You want to make sure that you can start creating that footprint, leaving your footprint everywhere. Make sure that people starting to know who you are, what you do, because it will make it easier for your lending company to find who you are and the great service that you have to provide and the great service that you actually give out to the world. Thus, anytime that you want to now scale or you want to start this new business, even though if you're a new business, make sure you start doing it. Make sure you start putting yourself out in the net. Even though if you thought about it, you said, look, I want to start a company from here to 60 days from now. Hey, start every single day. Put a 5-minute piece of content. Make sure you put a blog. Make sure you put anything in social media about you, about what you're coming out with, because that's what your bank or your lending company is going to look specifically, especially if you want some lending through the government or through the bank. Guys, the number 4 is actually it boosts the traffic to your website or to your search engine rate. Now, social media is used to bring and generate leads. And this is the way that you should be using. Not only it brings volume to you, but also will help you build that SEO rate or the search engine optimization, SEO rate. it allows you to actually do that. The more people know about you, the more you use the right keywords about your business, the more you put yourself out there, the more leads and prospect you'll be able to get, which means that you are actually be able to turn these leads and prospects into clients. Now guys, number 5, expand sales. Using social media will expand your sales and allow you to reach new audiences. Guys, just listening to your customer, listening to the dislikes and likes allows you to make your product better and allows you to reach more and more people, because the more best reviews you have, the more people talk about your product, about you, about your brand, the more you will be able to reach new audiences, guys. And this is all part of you making revenue. A lot of times when you're trying to get lending, a lot of lenders will look for the revenue that you are able to make, the revenue that is coming in, because sometimes is when you have to state your income in order, or they need to you need to allow them to see your bank accounts or bank statements in order for them to be able to lend you on that. There's this different type of lenders, different type of criterias, but just doing these little things, guys, will allow you to continue to make the better revenue, to grow your business. And actually, just by doing so, you will be able to also get the lending that you need in order to scale that business of yours. Now guys, number 6, using social media will cut the cost of your marketing. Trust me, it is the cheapest way. Using social media is the organic way to grow your business. Now, compared to the paid advertising, the mail outs, the actual marketing that you can also pay ads online, using social media is free. It just take work from you, guys. And I'm telling you all of these little things about social media by itself, because that's how our business started. That's how we started to grow, by putting social media content. It will take work from you. It will take the ability to see your business in a different way, and also find out what people want to know about you, and then putting it out there. Use your imagination, put it together, see what's working out there, see how you want people to see you, and then just put it out there. Be you. People want authenticity. People want to know that you are a person that can relate to, and they also want to know that you have a product that will work for them. And that's what we want to do, guys. This is what we created, the 360 Business Vantage. Guys, in the 360 Business Vantage, you're gonna get the 12-point business success scan. Business success scan. Oh, it's a mouthful for me. Now, anyway, guys, but what I want to tell you is that we built it in. You will be able to see how your business looks on social media, and you'll be able to get a report that will help you increase that and optimize that in order for you to start getting new lending. All of these little things are pieces that are put together to put the foundation of your business lending. Guys, it is necessary nowadays, and this is when we know the algorithms that banks uses in order for them to lend you money, to lend you, to scale, to start up. This is certain things that they require and they want to see. And we just want to make sure we help you guys. I hope you love this content. Once again, short and sweet. We want to make sure that you actually gain some knowledge from this and start using it. Put it together. If you want to know more, hey guys, in the bottom of this video, you're going to get a link that will give you the success scan. Just go in there, check it out. See if you like it. You're going to love it, by the way. Now, if you want to know more, reach out to us. You see the phone over here, give us a call. We want to go ahead and we'll help you. Business Lend is one of the things that we want to bring to you. We want to bring big business lending to the small businesses, guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you for tuning in today. I appreciate your time. Make sure that if it was your first time, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. Click on the bell icon, click on all. But give me the thumbs up, guys, because we want to continue helping you out. My name is Carlos Estrada. I am the Credit Assassin, and I will see you in the next video.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big bucks, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them?